Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix can't read from the source file or disk when you try to copy or transfer files in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the file and select compress to and select zip file. After getting compressed to zip file, copy the zip file and paste it in the desktop or wherever you want. And now you just need to right click on the zip file and select open with and select Windows Explorer. Now drag and drop this file to extract this. After getting extract done, you can open the extracted file without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.